coming to check out today's video. This video is sponsored by Zury Hollywood. Thank you so much, Zury, for sending over this new wig. Now stay tuned so we can check it out together. Alright, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. If you're curious about the wig that I'm rocking right now and you'd like to see a review, I'm sorry, I can't help but laugh. If you'd like to see a review on this wig, click the link right above and it will take you right to it. But make sure you finish watching this video first. Trust me, this one is a doozy. Heri, and it is FS1B30. So let's go ahead and take her out the pack. So this is what Heri looks like. The color is really, really pretty. It's a nice, well-blended FS1B30. Sometimes it can be a little too chunky and look overwhelming, but this is really well-blended. The waves in this unit are very pretty. It reminds me of the Lynn wig, which is probably one of my all-time favorite Zury Hollywood wigs of all time, and that's a part of their Prime collection. It does have a middle part. It does have a lace front, 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, and your 2 adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and pop her.
Something popped in my brain. No, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control over lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer.
Okay, you guys, so this wig is extremely long, but when I tell you it is really, really pretty, I really do like this wig. But yeah, I definitely like this wig. Like I said, it reminds me of Lynn. It's just longer. That's really literally the only difference. I love the color mix on this. It's a very natural looking color mix. I really like it. I think this wig is really beautiful. It's full enough. It's nice. It feels thick, like it has some weight to it, and I definitely like that about this wig. Obviously this wig will tangle. This is like a special occasion wig or an event wig or like an on stage wig. It's a wig that you wear for an event and you don't care if by the end of it you can't wear it anymore. I wouldn't say this is everyday hair just based off of the length and how hard it will be to maintain and keep nice. But, you know, if you're just trying to go somewhere and just all out slay the scene and you don't feel like buying 40-inch bundles of body wave, because each bundle will probably run you $200, and to get it thick and full enough, I mean, you'd be at $1,000 real quick. You can just go ahead and get you this synthetic beauty right here. And nobody will be the wiser. Real cute. Really cute. Okay, you guys? So, yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this wig. Lit. She's fire. Stay tuned for the slow-mos or whatever.